for my baby. Gxlden.Chvld.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, the Golden Child, and I'm here with my first video actually. I've decided to get into YouTube because it's been a part of my life for years. Story times, hair tutorials, makeup, skincare, everything in between. So I decided to join the family, and I hope you guys subscribe. But with that being said, let's get into it. If you're watching this video, you obviously want to know how to shoot your shot. Or maybe you're a guy who wants to make sure I know what I'm even talking about. Or maybe you're just some random person who's not interested but you found me. If so, hello there. But anywho, shooting your shot with a guy can be very daunting. And I know because I've overthought about it, done it, gotten rejected, the whole nine, several times too. So I can give you some great pointers and hopefully you can successfully shoot your shot with these tips. But for starters, it's very important to be confident. If you are not confident and you're trying to shoot your shot, you're already going to fail because people can sense if you're not confident. Like if you're like slouching or you're not making eye contact or just fidgeting or just doing anything to distract from the fact that you want this guy's attention, you want his phone number, you want him to be your little boot thing. You can't distract from that. So you have to make sure you exude confidence, walking up, having nice posture, making eye contact, smiling, everything, just being an attractive, beautiful person that you are. So I'd say everything you do from start to end is very important. Like there's a whole science to it. It's very simple, just walking up, you say a little something, you either get the phone number or you don't and you walk away. But you actually have to like scrutinize each step. But when I say scrutinize, you don't like scrutinize it too much so it looks forced or anything. Like you have to put lots of thought into this but make it look as natural as possible. Like make it look like you don't even care that much if he gives you the phone number or not. You just wanted to shoot your shot because you're a confident person and you can handle rejection. So going up to him, I'd say make sure you walk sexy. And in me saying walk sexy, I'm not saying like sway your ass like super extra or anything. Just making sure you follow the simple like shoulders down, like head up, everything like that, and just walk how you like normally do. And I'd say it's best not to approach guys in front of their friends because you know how guys can be annoying, rude, and all that. So I say try to catch them alone if you can. But if you're just feeling super daring, you want to go up to homie in front of his friends, power to you. I could never. I'm a pretty confident person, but I could never. But power to you if you can. But anywho, now you're in front of this cutie and you gotta figure out something to say. Now, I suggest you keep it short and sweet. Something like, "Hi, my name's Marlene. I thought you were really cute and I wanted to ask for your phone number." He's gonna maybe introduce himself, give you a straight up yes or no, or maybe be like, "Oh, I have a girlfriend," whatever, whatever. Whatever negative answer you get, you just make sure you don't let it phase you because, again, he's just a guy, he's just a human. He's nothing that special. If he says no, you'll find someone cuter eventually and it won't even matter. So you just gotta like keep a straight face, walk away as sexy as you walked up, and then that's it. It's not even a big deal. But in the event that he does say yes, obviously, yes, or anything like that, don't do any of that because, again, it's not that serious. You don't really care. You can't let him look too hype or anything, or why is he gonna even text you back? Like, oh, this girl is weird. But yeah, either you've gotten the phone number or you haven't. But regardless, you could just try again next time. But also in trying again next time, make sure you don't like do this too much. Like, don't like shoot your shot with like 5 guys every day or something because eventually some of those guys are gonna be friends and eventually they're gonna find out that you shot your shot with all of them and now you look thirsty and we don't want that. So be very picky with who you shoot your shot with because this is a person who you're gonna be like spending time with. eventually because you shot your shot to try to get a boo or something. So you wanted something out of that. So be very particular, ladies or guys, whoever's watching. But yeah, also another thing, I'd say sliding in DMs is probably the easiest way to shoot your shot because if you get rejected, you can just delete it and act like it didn't happen, and you don't have to like deal with like walking up to them, looking them in the eye, everything that makes you nervous like that. I mean, it still can make you nervous to like slide in the DMs because they could still say no or they could still say something like nasty to you or something. But regardless, I'd say that's the easiest way. I've done that several times. Also, I'm gonna give you guys some free pickup lines to use in the DMs. This is gold from the Gxlden.Chvld. These are corny, but I'm a corny person, and you can use these or not use them. But this is just in my personality to say stuff like this. But lines I have used include, I lost my number. Can I have yours? Another one is, hey, you look familiar. And then they say, oh, from where? Or something to that extent. And I'm like, you look like my next nigga. Those are just a couple. There are probably some more, but I gotta dig for those. I don't even be shooting my shot. I'm off the market, but I guess I just had to drop some gems on you guys because you guys want to learn how to shoot your shot. So hope you guys learned something. You used some of these tips, and if you guys tried it, you shot your shot. Let me know what happens because I haven't had the best of luck with it. But we're all different people. You can put like your own like spin on this. Like if your sexy walk is you like shaking your ass vigorously, then go for it. If it gets you the phone number, go off, sis. That's the ultimate goal. So hope you guys learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video and you decide to subscribe and become one of my golden stars. And you guys have a good day.